Did you know America's most wanted terrorist hid in plain sight for 18 years using nothing but a typewriter and homemade bombs? On May 25, 1978, Northwestern University security guard Terry Marker opened what seemed like an ordinary package. The explosion that followed made him the first victim of the Unabomber. For nearly 2 decades, Ted Kaczynski waged war against modern technology from his remote Montana cabin. He crafted precision bombs using hardware store materials, targeting university professors and airline executives. His devices left no fingerprints, no traceable components, just devastating results. The FBI launched their largest investigation ever, with 150 agents analyzing every wood fragment and metal piece. Kaczynski demanded newspapers publish his 35,000-word manifesto, threatening more attacks if they refused. The breakthrough came when his own brother recognized the writing style and contacted authorities. Agents found bomb components and victim lists in his primitive cabin. 23 people injured, 3 killed across 16 bombings. The longest domestic terrorism case in U.S. history, ended by family betrayal. Subscribe for more shocking true crime cases that changed America forever.